everybody, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today we have another exciting unboxing today. Okay, so this is super hard to find. Louis Vuitton. Oh, I need a pair of scissors. Hang on a second, let me go get a pair of scissors. Okay, so this is super hard to find Louis Vuitton desk agenda cover that I was able to order through an SA. It comes in this beautiful box, yellow box. I'm glad they put the yellow ribbon on. I'm not gonna be able to untie this, so I'm just gonna like slide this off and then I'll untie it later. So it's in this magnetic box. Dun 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 dun. Woohoo! Oh, it's so beautiful. It's got a nice weight to it. So the reason that I ordered this is because I just fell in love with this 2021 agenda refill because of this lovely Vivian illustration. So I have another video that I flipped through this showing all of the Vivian illustrations. So I'll just link it above there if you like to go check it out. So I fell in love with this agenda refill, so I had to have the cover, of course. So let's fit her in there and see how it looks. This desk agenda cover is apparently really hard to find. So if you check out Pre-Loved Market, they sell this thing for over $1,000, which is ridiculous, to be honest with you. And the retail price is $600. Oh, so cute. Isn't this adorable? There's some slots for whatever paperwork and one to excuse me, I had to sneeze, so I had to stop the video, so I didn't want to sneeze on the camera. So anyways, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 credit card slots as well. So maybe you could, like, when you're traveling, you could put like airplane tickets in there or something. So it looks adorable. And there's another slot here. You can put in like another notebook or something and double it up as well, because there's definitely space for it. And then another pocket here, and here is a secretarial pocket there. Maybe I can put this sticker, lovely sticker, right in here. That looks adorable. I'm gonna put another notebook right in here. Let's put this away. Okay, so this is a notebook that I found on Amazon, and the size of this notebook is fairly close to, similar to the agenda. So this agenda is not quite, it's slightly bigger than A5 size. So this is A5, and as you can see, it's a little bit wider than A5. So is this notebook, slightly wider than A5. So this, I got this notebook because I thought that it would be a perfect size for this pairing with this agenda. I have another notebook from Amazon. This is just so cute, isn't it? I think this is A5 size, maybe teeny bit bigger than A5. So this is A5 size. So I want to show you guys two versions of these two notebooks and what they look like. So I'm gonna put this back in here. And if I put this notebook in here, it's perfect. The size is almost similar and the thickness is just right. I mean, this agenda cover is it can accommodate even 3 notebooks as well. So I can just put this in here and it still closes. So the thickness, it can definitely accommodate 3 notebooks. But obviously I'm not gonna carry it like this. So if I put this note in here, I guess it's okay. It's a little smaller than the agenda, so I think I would not like this so much. So I think I would really like this pair. Yeah, so I really like this pair. So I have some of my class planning for my next semester, and I can put in like notes in here, or even in here. A5 will fit in this pocket, and then maybe I can put in like one of the notebook notes. Yeah, so that's how I would set this up, like so. So I already tapped my agenda. So this is weekly. That's where weekly planning starts, and that's where monthly for January starts. So yeah, I really love this. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.